So let's see this question. Again, this is a question which is based on LCM. Now the question is, if the LCM of 75 and n is 150, how many different values can n assume? While solving these type of questions, we have to remember that while taking LCM, after prime factorization, we take maximum power from each. What does it mean? Let's see from this question. First of all, we convert 75 into prime factorization. So we can write 75 as 3 into 5 raised to power 2. And the second number is n, which we don't know. And the LCM of these two numbers is given, which is equal to 150. So let's convert 150 into prime factorization. So 150 is basically 2 into 75, which is nothing but 2 raised to power 1 into 3 raised to power 1 into 5 ki power 2. So this is the LCM of these two numbers which are given. So what we can do now, we know that while taking LCM, we take maximum power from each. So let's see 5 ki power 2. So if here 5 ki power 2 is given and the LCM, in LCM also 5 ki power 2 is given. So we can say that n can take any value which is in power of 5 till 2. Means if we take 5 raised to power 0 or 5 raised to power 1 or 5 raised to power 2, LCM doesn't change. LCM change nahi hoga. So again, if here it is given that 3 raised to power 1, and if we take n as 3 raised to power 0 or 3 raised to power 1, LCM doesn't change. But in LCM, we need 2 raised to power 1 also. But in 75, there is no power of 2. So we have to take 2 raised to power 1 in n so that it can come in LCM. So this is a requirement here. We have to take 2 raised to power 1 in n. We can't take 2 raised to power 0. If we take 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1 will not become in LCM. So here we have to take 2 raised to power 1. Here we have to take two values. We can take any value from these two, that is 3 ki power 0 or 3 ki power 1. And here we can take any value from these three values, 5 raised to power 0, 5 raised to power 1 or 5 raised to power 2. So we can say that this is one value, these are two values, and these are three values. And if we multiply these three, we can take 6. We get 6. So we can say that n can take any value from these 6 values, and LCM ultimately becomes 2 ki power 1 into 3 raised to power 1 into 5 raised to power 2. So answer of this question should be 6, and 6 is the right answer of this question. Answer option D matches. This is the right answer of this question.